So children, yesterday we were discussing the revaluation account. So a revaluation account is a nominal account. It is prepared to ascertain the amount of profit or loss that has been earned or suffered by a partnership firm in case of reassessment or revaluation of its assets and liabilities. This account is prepared at the time of change in profit sharing ratio among the partners, at the time of admission of a new partner to the existing partnership firm, at the time of retirement of an existing partner in the existing firm, at the time of death of a partner in the existing firm. So, in these four cases, this account is prepared. And these four cases are there in your course. The format of the revaluation account is, it is similar to the format, to the basic structure of a profit and loss account that you have learned in class 11. There are four columns on both the sides. On the debit side, particulars amount. On the credit side, particulars amount. On the debit side, as it is a nominal account, so all those things which will result into a loss to the partnership firm will be debited to revaluation account, and those things which results into the loss of the partnership firm are your decline in the value of assets and increase in the value of liability. All those assets whose value will decline in a particular year, they all will be debited, and the amount by which they will be debited is the amount by which their value is declining. जितने से उनकी वैल्यू कम होगी, that amount will be shown in the amount column. Similarly, all those liabilities whose value are increasing, by the amount of the increase in the value of the liability, the revaluation account will be debited. Now, the nominal account, all those gains which have been made by the firm are credited. So in case of this revaluation account, the gain is to be recorded in case of increase in the value of the asset and decrease in the value of the liability. If all those assets whose values will increase in a year, at the time of preparation of the revaluation account, or at the time of change in profit sharing ratio, or admission of a partner, or retirement of a partner, or death of a partner, in that case, whatever assets value has increased, they will be credited by asset. You will write down the name of the asset individually, and the amount will be the amount by which the value has increased. जितने से बढ़ा से वही. And by liability account, the amount when the liabilities decrease, it is a gain to the firm. Therefore, all the liabilities whose values are declining in comparison to the old values, they will be credited over here, and the amount will be the declined amount. It's clear? After this, the revaluation account will be balanced. If the balance comes on the debit side, that is the profit on revaluation account, and if the balance comes on the credit side, that is the loss on revaluation account. Now this profit or loss will be distributed among the partners in their old profit sharing ratio. It's clear? This is done when the revised values are to be recorded in the books. If the firm wants to record the increased or the assets and the liabilities at the increased and decreased values, then the profit on revaluation account or the loss on revaluation account will be distributed among the partners in the old profit sharing ratio. And if the firm does not want to show the revised values in the books of accounts, in that case it will be distributed in among the partners in their sacrificing ratio, and a entry will be passed where the gaining partner will be debited and the sacrificing partner will be credited. Now we